everyone. So this is day 25 March 2024 and today's Leetcode question is find all the duplicates in an array. So here we are given with an array nums and we have to find all the duplicates or the repeating numbers. Like for this example, 2 is repeating and 3 is also repeating, that is more than one time. Similarly for the other example, 1 is more than one time, so we are returning 1 in a and the return type is list. The constants given are n is less than nums length and n is greater than 1 to less than 10 raised to 5, which gives us idea that the hash table would be of length 10 raised to 5. This is the code. We have initiated our empty list, that is dupe, which will store all the duplicates and we will return this dupe. N is the length of the nums and hash tab will be of length 10 raised to 5 and all the elements value is 0, that is that we will increase by the frequency of the hash tab of that nums of I will increment by 1 and if hash tab of that num is repeating again, then the nums hash tab of at that index will be more than 1. So we are giving the condition that if hash tab of that num is greater than 1, we will append that nums of I to duplicate, and now duplicate dupe list will store all the repeating values. So let us run this code and you can see it runs, and this is my submission, which beats 91% of other Python users, and here is my solution. You can check out the link in the comment box. Thank you.